Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chad Henry for you here again at Holiday Motors in Portsmouth, Virginia. Right now I'm going to show you this awesome 2013 Jeep Wrangler that we just traded in. This was traded in on a beautiful Corvette that we had. And this is very well decked out. I've been seeing it running around town for the last couple of years, and last summer he started stopping by here and checking out the Corvettes, and finally found one that was feasible enough to come off of the Jeep. This thing is absolutely beautiful, in excellent shape. I've found nothing wrong with it so far. 2013, 12 years old, only 86,000 miles on it. As you can see, it does have a little bit of a lift to it. It has the fuel wheels and the BF Goodwrench all-terrain tires. Let's see, what size are they? They are 35, 12, 50, 17s. Of course, the two-tone Rhino liner, the black and the gray there, and then you have your stock glossy paint. Nice roof rack, Rhino rack. Bumpers have been changed. ARB diff covers on front and rear. The Falcon shocks. Not sure what kind of exhaust that is. But as you can see under here, there is no rust to speak of. This was not a northern vehicle, or definitely doesn't seem to have been one that was built for the beach or even rock climbing. I mean, this thing looks like it was put together to look the way that somebody wanted it to look. I'm not sure that it was used. I'm not sure that it wasn't used, but it's got all the right stuff on it if you decide that you want to. See the Smitty-built winch there. It's got the metal fender liners and the KC lights. It's got a nice switch set on the A-pillar as well, which we'll get inside and show you here in a second. Look, the paint's beautiful. I love this two-tone Rhino liner on it too. But it's got a great look to it. It runs and drives perfectly. Interior is super clean. It's even got your built-in fire extinguisher. But check out the seats, like very little to no wear. A little bit of wear right there, just where it rubs getting in and out of it. But not rubbing any kind of hole or anything like that. Definitely a non-smoker's vehicle. There's your switches for all of your lights up front. This is the light bar on the front bumper. And 86,685 miles. If it's flashing in the video, it's just the video. You got your grab bar up here at the top of the dash. A really cool Insane Audio radio with navigation. The controller for the winch is in the glove box here. And the previous owner, it was already wired up for a subwoofer. He took the one out of his house and wired it up in here, which that's okay. It sounds good. So I'm leaving all that in there. It does have the amp and everything all hooked up. He had no owner's manuals, so he printed out the Insane Audio owner's manual and then the owner's manual for the Jeep. And how could that possibly be so long? Anyway. Oh, and let me not forget the Smitty-built rack. So of course this side, let's see if I can get it to do it with one hand. There we go. So a nice tray after a fun day on the beach. There we go. but really cool Jeep. I'm really happy to get this. So it's really exciting what we do here. We mess with a lot of Corvettes and a lot of custom pieces, not just your average car lot. We've been here going on 51 years now. Actually just hit 51 years. And with the type of inventory that we have, we get some really amazing trades like this. And even the wiring, you know, was done nice and clean, you know, for all of these lights. So we're excited to have this. We're excited to be able to offer it to you, to be the proud new owners of it. It does have a clean history report. I forgot how many owners it has, but that's the auto check is on my website at holidaymotors.com. And you can find an application page there if needed, and we can help arrange for shipping and handling if you're looking for that as well. So always top dollar for your trades, obviously. And we can help arrange for shipping and delivery. I think I just said that, but making sure you know. Anyway, we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for watching as always. Take care.